Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Data with Ritika. In this series, we are discussing about the major announcements done by Databricks in Data and AI Summit currently going on. Let's see what this next announcement is all about. Well, if Lakehouse RT was the runtime announcement, LTAP is the architectural announcement. And this one has a quote from Ali that really lands. He said, "For 40 years, we have lived with the separation between OLTP and OLAP. For the first time, we think we have cracked the unification code." Let me give you the context for why that statement is significant. What was the problem? Since the dawn of relational databases, the data world has had two separate worlds: OLTP, which is the online transactional processing, fast, row level reads and writes. Your PostgreSQL, MySQL, operational database all comes under OLTP, where your app writes the data. Then comes OLAP, online analytical processing, your data warehouse, lakehouse, and batch analytics, where your analyst and data teams query the data. These two worlds have always been separate systems, connected by ETL pipelines, CDC streams, and replication jobs. Those pipelines add latency, cost, complexity, and governance headaches. It's a fundamental architectural tax that every data team has been paying for decades. What did they announce? Well, LTAP, Lake Transactional Analytical Processing. It is the new architecture that unifies transactions, analytics, streaming, and operational data on a single copy of storage in the lake. No ETL pipelines by design, no replicas, no separate systems. One storage layer, one governance model, everything in one place. Databricks says it's the world's first LTAP system. It combines Lakebase, the serverless Postgres product, with the Lakehouse under a single Unity catalog governance model. And the traction numbers are already real. Lakebase, which sits at the foundation of LTAP, is now handling 12 million database launches per day. Crazy. Now let's see, why does it matter? For data engineers, this is the end of a category of pipeline that has consumed enormous amounts of engineering time. CDC pipelines, ETL from operational databases into the warehouse, sync jobs that break at the worst times. LTAP's promises that those become unnecessary. For the data community more broadly, unifying OLTP and OLAP on open formats mean your analysts, your app developers, and your AI agents are all reading from and writing to the same source of truth. That's now an efficiency gain. It's a data quality and governance improvement. LTAP is coming as part of Lakebase. This is the one to watch over the next 12 months.